Welcome to SSC JE Critical. In this video, I am going to discuss about concept of inductor and its multiple choice questions. Inductor practically appears to be like this. Practically, it appears to be like this. Just for understanding, I am showing this. So practically, it appears to be like this. What is an inductor? An inductor is a energy storage device which stores energy in the form of magnetic field. Again, I am repeating. An inductor is a energy storage device which stores energy in the form of magnetic field. Okay. The symbol is this one. Okay. The inductor symbol is this one. The important point regarding this, it doesn't allow the sudden change in the current. It doesn't allow the sudden change in the current. So this is the current and this is the time period. When current starts flowing in the inductor, then what happens? The magnetic field will develop across this. The magnetic field will develop across this. If current keep on increasing, when current keep on increasing, then more magnetic field will develop across this. If more current is flowing through this, the more magnetic field will develop across this and it will store the energy in the form of magnetic field. When current stops flowing in this, when current, you can see this, when current stops flowing in this circuit, when current stops flowing in the inductor, then what happens? The energy storage will decrease. That is, when current stops flowing, then the graph will be like this. When current stops flowing in this, then what happens? It keep on reducing. Only one line will be there. Only one flux line will be there. Okay. When it is at this point, only one flux line will be there. So keep on decreasing. If 3 lines is there now, when current more decreasing, there will be 2 lines. When current more decreasing, then only 1 line. Okay. Here 3 lines will be there. Here 2 lines, then 1 line. That is what I mean is the magnetic field will reduce. When current stops flowing, the magnetic field will reduce. Now we can discuss some of the most important multiple choice questions on the inductor. So which of the following circuit element will oppose the change in the circuit current? Okay. Which of the following circuit element will oppose the change in the circuit current? That is the inductance. Inductor doesn't allow the sudden change in the current. We know this. Inductor doesn't allow the sudden change in the current. So this is the appropriate one. It doesn't allow the sudden change in the current. So inductance is the correct answer. How does an inductor work? Which of the following is correct? Storing energy as a magnetic field. A wire piece is charged, introducing resistance into your circuit, choking off high frequency AC. Which is the correct answer? The correct answer is storing energy as a magnetic field. Inductor stores the energy in the form of magnetic field. So first one is the correct answer. Regarding in a small inductance, which one is the correct answer? Large current flow. In a small inductance, what happens? Large current flow, energy is stored and released quickly. Small current flow, energy is stored and released slowly. Which is the correct one? The correct answer is energy is stored and released quickly. Okay. Small inductance. Okay. Small inductance means small inductor. In small inductor, what happens? It stores the energy quickly and releases it quickly. So small amount of energy only will be stored. Okay. When current stops flowing in this, it will be released very quickly. Hope you understood. Next one. The phenomena due to which there is an induced current in one coil due to current in the neighboring coil. So correct answer is mutual inductance, steady current, electromagnetism, susceptance. The suitable answer is mutual inductance. The phenomena due to which there is an induced current in one coil due to current in the neighboring coil. So the correct answer is mutual inductance. The combination of same two inductors connected in parallel without mutual inductance will have the value. Okay. Two inductors connected in series. Here parallel given now. Here parallel given. So in parallel, inductor formula is LT is equals to, the total inductance LT is equals to L1 L2 by L1 plus L2. So inductance how much given? 33 millihenry into 33 into 55 by 33 plus 55. Just simplify this. You will get the here millihenry into millihenry. Just note this, millihenry into millihenry, and denominator you will get the millihenry. So Answer you will get in millihenry. Simplify this, you will get around 20.62, that is approximately, so 21 millihenry you will get the answer. Okay, 21 millihenry. For the same question, if they give the series, what is formula? LT is equals to L1 plus L2. So 33 plus 55, that is 33 plus 55, that is 88 millihenry. So this will be the correct answer. This is for series, this is for parallel. Okay. In the previous problem, mutual inductance not given, here mutual inductance given. Okay, this is parallel aiding inductor and this is parallel opposing inductor. When parallel aiding inductor, so based on this many problems will be given. Okay, many problems will be given. See the formula. So for parallel aiding inductors, that is LT is equals to L1 L2 minus m square by L1 plus L2. Here parallel aiding means more inductance we have to get, so the value will be more, that means in denominator minus 2m will come. L1 plus L2 minus 2m. Okay, so for parallel opposing inductors, here dot notation you can see both are parallel aiding inductors. In this case opposing, parallel opposing inductors, LT is equals to L1 L2 minus m square by, so L1 plus L2. Here parallel opposing inductors, so value becomes less. When denominator is more, value becomes less. So let it be 2m. Okay, denominator becomes more, plus 2m. So remember this formula. Based on this formula also questions will be given. So these are some of the important multiple choice questions and a concept of inductor. So thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you.